Assalamu alaikum ji friends, this is Kashif and I'm an IELTS trainer. We teach IELTS online and offline. I'm here again with a student at Barfel Education Services, Garipura Road, Gujarat. Uh, the day she came and the day she is leaving from here. You can guess the difference and she will tell the difference as well. She's one of my students and she learned how to speak English confidently here. I'll straightforward go to the student. Thank you, Maheen, for sparing some times with us, and we are recording some interview for your feedback for the audience that who wants to join IELTS course or English spoken course. It's not only about IELTS; it is about spoken English as well. That how to speak English confidently, how you can learn to speak. It can be learned. It's not always a gifted thing. It can be learned. Maheen, how are you?
I'm fine, good.
Can you tell us something about yourself?
My name is Mahinder Swan. I live in Gujarat, Pakistan, and I have recently completed my FSc from ILM College as a private candidate while going in an academy. And recently, I have completed my FSc, so I decided to improve my English. So I choose this academy.
Why did you choose to do your intermediate privately?
Actually, in a first year, I did not get a good mark, so I decided to improve my marks by going one place. So I decided to go in an academy. And
All
my sir
right.
suggests me the college.
So was it a good experience?
Yes, it was
Not
a
being
good.
in a college and doing it privately.
Yes,
Did you enjoy that experience?
yes,
How
it was
would
a
you
good.
compare yourself with those students who do it in college and you did it in private? So what was the difference? Did you ask any of your friends that how was her experience?
Actually, I also did in a academy and in a college. So I experienced many things when I go in a academy. That the lecture was very good, and we can ask anything from our sir about anything at any time, and the lecture was flexible as compared to the college where we have to go on a time, and and some student cannot get the attention as separately they can get from academy.
Maheen, can you tell us something about your hobbies, your free time activities?
Actually, in my free time, I usually do many activities. I spend my time with my family and play with my dog, and sometimes I watch TV show with my family. But the thing which I do most is reading books because I think that books are our silent friends, and they can also help us to improve our vocabulary.
Right. Reading a book is not a habit in our society. How
Yes.
long is it been you've been reading, developing that habit in your life? Like,
Um, Actually, I
and
also.
how did you start it? Like, nobody reads books around us. And how did you learn that book reading is a good and you started it?
Actually, first I like also using mobile phone, but after time, I realized that it is a waste of time. We waste our time too much on a mobile phone, and we cannot get any benefit. So I decided to read books, and it is very beneficial for me. I like reading books. After some time, I realized that it is a good habit. Even we read a 1 to 2 page daily, it also helpful for us. We improve our English.
All right. And except the book reading, what else you do in your free time? Like any sports, any games, or anything else?
Actually, I also play cricket with my family
Mhm.
sometimes, but mostly I do not have a free time usually. But I spend time with my family. Sometimes I watch TV show with them, any movie which is available at that time, and love teasing my parents.
What are your career plans for future?
Actually, I have done FSc, and now I want to choose computer science because in today's world, computer science has a more scope as compared to medical. So I decided to choose computer science. By doing computer science, it opens many doors of a job. So I decided to choose it.
राइट नाजरीन ये आपके सामने महीन स्टूडेंट हमारी है ये जब पहले दिन आई थी तो तब इसको इतना भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि
मेरी
ये
आवाज़ ही
स्टेज
नहीं
पे
निकलती
आके
थी।
परफॉर्म